Hi, in this video, we're going to review how to use Zotero to create group libraries to share research with collaborators and project partners. Zotero Group Libraries are great for collaborating on a variety of projects. It's really helpful for students who might be working on an assignment and need a place to organize information and Google Drive just isn't cutting it anymore. It's also very helpful for faculty members who are working with faculty at a different institution to collaborate on writing an article, and you need a shared space for all of your resources and references. Zotero Group Libraries are great for collaboration. So in this video, we'll be going over how to set up a Zotero group and how to invite collaborators into your group library. So to create a group library, the organizer of the library does need to have a Zotero account and synchronize that account with their downloaded Zotero library. If you need help getting your account created, you can check out the tutorial video on creating a free Zotero account that's linked in the video description below. One cool element about Zotero groups is that you can invite folks who don't already have a Zotero account to join your group library, and we'll review how to do that a little bit later in this video. But to get started creating a Zotero group library, you'll first want to log into your Zotero account and then navigate over here to where it says Groups. All right. And here you can see the groups that you are already a part of and the option to create a new group. So we'll go ahead and click on that. And then you'll be prompted to create a name for your group. Let's call it Columbia College Research 2023. And then you can choose the group type. This is basically setting the privacy settings for your group. So you have public open membership. Anyone can view your group online and join that group. Public closed membership. Anybody can view the group online, but to be a member, to actually add information or edit information in that group, you have to be invited. Or a private membership. So only people that you invite and are specifically choosing to collaborate with can view or join your group. We'll do a private membership for right now. And then we'll click Create Group. And here you get a chance to refine your settings even more. So it's a private group. We want anyone who's a group member to be able to read the library. Anyone in the internet will only be an option for you to choose. As you can see, I can't choose it. You can only do that if it's a public open group. Library editing, I want all my group members to be able to collaborate fully to sort the library, to add information to the library. So I'll say any group member, and then same thing with file editing. Save my settings, and then I can scroll back to my groups and see that Columbia College Research 2023 has been created. And now that my group is created, I want to begin collaborating. So I will head over to Manage Members and then send more invitations. Here I can invite folks to collaborate with me using their email address. And again, these folks don't need to already have a Zotero account in order to collaborate. I will click Invite Members, and my collaborators will receive an email invitation and a link that they can use to access the Zotero library. And if they are not already a Zotero account holder, they will be prompted to create an account in order to participate in the group. Finally, once you've started collaborating, you might need to change the account and permission settings for individual members of your group. You can do that by heading to Manage Members under the group that you are interested in managing the membership for. And here you can see that I am the owner of this group because I created the group library, but I might want to change my co-members' permission from just member to administrator. That way they can invite other collaborators. And I would do that by, again, just clicking on this little drop-down menu and updating the role. And then you'll see roles are updated. And now you have your group library, your group members, and you can navigate to your downloaded Zotero application and see on the left-hand side of the screen you have your library, but then you also have this area for group libraries, and that will show all of the group collaborative libraries that you are a part of. If they don't show up right away, you can click this little sync button on the top right-hand corner of the screen. For more information on group libraries and using Zotero to collect and organize your research, you can check out our other tutorial videos linked in the description below and available on our Zotero research guide at library.colum.edu.